Dude, you only brought one bag of Doritos?
There's gonna be like 5 other guys in there.
So?
So now we have to share.
Tom told everyone to bring their own bags.
Yeah, well I drove you here, so really this is kind of like my bag.
Hey!
He doesn't have a bag.
Allergies, man. Hey!